Students, I am your teacher Charan Singh from Harvard Convent Senior Secondary School. Today I am here with the topic that is the inventory turnover ratio. If you want to understand my topics, then you have to watch my previous video also. Today I am going to discuss regarding the gross profit. Before discussing this, I will discuss regarding the formula. The formula of inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. So what is the formula of cost of revenue from operation? That is equal to revenue from operation minus gross profit. And then or cost of revenue from operation is equal to opening stock plus purchase plus direct expense minus closing stock. Okay, so this is very simple. Revenue from operation minus gross profit or cost of revenue from operation is equal to opening stock plus purchase plus direct expense minus closing stock. So today our topic is gross profit. For example, revenue from operation is equal to 5 lakh. Gross profit is 20% of revenue from operation. So gross profit will be 1 lakh. Revenue is given, gross profit is given. So our cost of revenue from operation will be 4 lakh. Okay. So we will proceed from this topic. We have illustration number 66. Opening stock is equal to 29,000. Purchases is equal to 2,42,000. Revenue from operation is equal to 3,20,000. Gross profit is 25% on sale. Calculate inventory turnover ratio. Okay. So as we know that we need two components. First one is the cost of revenue from operation and divided by average stock. So cost of revenue from operation is equal to revenue from operation minus gross profit. So revenue from operation is given 3,20,000 and GP is on sale. Sale means revenue. Okay, revenue from operation and sale are two same things. If revenue is 3,20,000 minus gross profit 25%, that is 80,000 is equal to 2,40,000. Okay, so cost of revenue from operation is equal to 2,40,000. Now we need another thing, that is the closing stock. So we will calculate the closing stock with the help of a cost of revenue from operations formula. Cost of revenue from operation is equal to opening stock plus purchase plus direct expense minus closing stock. Cost of revenue from operation is equal to 2,40,000 is equal to opening stock is 29,000 plus purchase is 2,42,000 plus direct expense is not given, so we will include this 0 plus minus closing stock is equal to X. Okay, so we have closing stock is equal to, we will add this and we will structure for this figure, that is equal to 31,000. Okay, now we have opening stock, we have closing stock, and we will find out the average stock. Average stock is the average inventory. Okay, 29,000 plus 31,000 divided by 2, that is equal to 30,000. Okay. Okay. Now we will move to illustration number 66. Opening stock is equal to 29,000. Closing stock is 31,000. Revenue, that is equal to 3 lakh. GP 25% on cost. So this will create a problem because revenue is given but GP on cost. Let cost is equal to 100. GP is equal to 25% on cost, that is 25. Sale, that is revenue, that is equal to 125. So you have to remember that cost will always be less than revenue. So let cost is 100, GP on cost is 25%, that, and revenue is equal to 125. Revenue is equal to 3 lakh divided by 125 into 100 is equal to 2,40,000. When revenue from operation is given, so we will divide it by revenue, and we want to find a cost, so we will multiply it by 100. Okay, so the cost of revenue from operation is equal to 2,40,000. Okay, now we need two other things. First one is the opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. 29,000 plus 31,000 divided by 2, that is equal to 30,000. So other sum is very easy. Okay. Next topic is to find out opening stock, closing stock. That will not be given in the numerical. Illustration number 69. Total sale is equal to 2,20,000. Sales return, that is equal to 20,000. GP, that is equal to 50,000. Closing stock is equal to 60,000. excess of closing stock over opening stock is 20,000. So this means that closing stock is 20,000 more than opening. If closing is 6,000, then opening will be 40,000. Total sale minus sale return. So revenue from operation is equal to 2 lakh. Cost of revenue is equal to revenue minus GP, that is equal to 2 lakh minus 50,000, that is equal to 1 lakh 50,000. Okay, so in this topic we have found the opening stock. Okay, now we will move to next topic. Cost of revenue is equal to 2 lakh. Inventory turnover ratio is given, okay, 8 times. Inventory in the beginning is 1.5 times more than at the end. So we will apply this formula. Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue divided by average stock or average inventory. Okay, so cost of revenue from operation is equal to 2 lakh. Ratio is already given, that is equal to 8 times, divided by average inventory. Okay, so we will cross multiply it, and the average inventory is equal to 2 lakh divided by 8, 25,000. Okay, now we will read this line again. Inventory in the beginning is 1.5 times more than at the end. Let closing inventory x opening inventory 1.5 times more, 1.5 x plus x, that is equal to 2.5 x. Okay, so you have to read it carefully because 1.5 times more than it is written. Okay, so if closing inventory is x, then opening will be 1.5x plus x, or x plus 1.5 x is equal to 2.5 x. Okay, so now we will apply the formula. Average inventory is equal to opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. Average inventory is given 25,000 is equal to opening stock is 2.5x plus closing is x divided by 2. So now we will cross multiply it. 50,000 is equal to 3.5x. X will be 50,000 divided by 3.5. 50,000 divided by 3.5 is equal to 14,286. And then closing is x is closing inventory and the opening will be 2.5x, that is equal to 35,700 150. Okay. Inventory in the beginning is 1.5 times more than at the end. So closing is x, opening will be 1.5x plus x, 2.5x. Okay. And if there is a simple thing, inventory in the beginning is 1 times than at the end, then closing is x, opening will be 1.5x only. Okay, then there is no need to plus x. Okay, so you have to read carefully if more is given or not. Okay, hope you understood this topic. Tomorrow I will come with a new video. For that time, stay home, stay safe. Bye.